the weather is a very interesting system, and a storm like what we had last year and the comparison to this year kind of highlights a couple of different things. Weather tends to happen in a more localized area, shorter time periods. Climate is kind of what drives the bigger weather patterns. And when I say climate, I'm talking things like La Nina, El Nino, things that happen up near the North Pole. So last year we had a more classic wintertime situation. We did not have a La Nina year like we do this year. So the jet stream was able to dip far enough to give us plenty of cold air so that we could get a storm like that. Incidentally, we actually have a storm coming up here in a couple of days that should bring us a good bit of rainfall, very similar to last year, minus the cold air.
It was unusual to get that amount of snow with Jonas. The snowfall per hour was more than we're used to getting in the Charleston area. And then the total of snow, 18 inches to 20 inches or whatever it was then, we're not used to getting those kinds of snows in Charleston. So it was different than what we're used to trying to treat for. Last year going into Jonas, prior to Jonas, our budgets looked really good. They did. But a storm like Jonas or a series of storms that are smaller than Jonas can affect our budgets negatively. If you're superstitious, you may not want to talk about it out loud because you don't want to. I guess you don't want to jinx yourself or whatever. But a caution is the budgets look really good right now, but Mother Nature can change that.